Map, track and manage skills in your organization. With OSM or Organization Skills Management Application, OSM comes with a built-in skills taxonomy that is a large, intelligent database of skills covering all dimensions of talent. The taxonomy covers 34 categories and over 100,000 skills terms, and the taxonomy is constantly updated. With an intuitive front end for the skills taxonomy, called the Skills Profiler, employees can just search, select and rate on skills. The Skills Profiler intelligently suggests skills based on skills selected. Likewise, your manager and subject matter experts can map skills of the roles. Using these two data sets of skills of employees and skills of roles, OSM helps you with several reports. Skills Inventory gives you a comprehensive view of all the skills in your organization. Skills Gap Report helps you analyze areas of gaps in different skills. Want to know more on how you can map, track and manage skills in your organizations? Visit this link to experience.